Hi and welcome to the channel. Today, we're diving into the upcoming RedMagic Tablet, and it looks like RedMagic is gearing up to launch a Powerhouse device that might finally hit global markets. Unlike last year's model, which was limited to China with decent specs, this new tablet is set to bring top-notch gaming performance to the table. 2.3 million points in Antutu benchmark. This time, RedMagic is bringing their gaming phone expertise to a tablet, and the cooling system is one of the main highlights. They're claiming it'll be the first tablet with a high-speed centrifugal fan, a 3D internal circulation wind channel, and 3D heat pipes, all part of the advanced 9-layer cooling system called ICE 2.0. The fan is compact, at just 17 by 17 millimeters, but don't let the size fool you. It spins at an impressive 20,000 RPM. The tablet is designed to be completely sealed, with the 3D wind channel preventing dust from entering and boosting cooling efficiency by 30%. Those 3D heat pipes pack a thermal conductivity of 6,000 watts per meter Kelvin, and the tablet's large area heat dissipation material under the screen covers 29,400 square millimeters, ensuring heat is quickly spread out and the core remains cool for smooth gaming. In real-world use, this means you can push the RedMagic tablet to its limits without worrying about thermal throttling or performance drops. Whether you're into marathon gaming sessions or heavy multitasking, this tablet is built to stay cool, quiet, and powerful. RedMagic is clearly aiming to set a new benchmark in the gaming tablet market with this release, becoming the default option that now belongs to the iPad or the Lenovo Legion tablet. With a focus on cooling, efficiency, and overall performance, this tablet is designed to handle anything you throw at it, all in a sleek, gamer-friendly design. To top it off, RedMagic is set to officially unveil this monster on September 5th. We're expecting even more details at the launch event, so make sure you're subscribed to stay in the loop. That's all for today's preview of the highly anticipated RedMagic tablet. Are you as excited as we are? Let us know in the comments below. And if you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell so you don't miss our full coverage of the launch event and in-depth reviews. Until next time, keep gaming and keep it cool.